Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a man known for his laziness. This man had a knack for finding the easiest way to get by without exerting much effort. His days were spent lounging under the shade of a tree, dreaming of ways to avoid work. One day, while wandering through the village, he spotted a fruit farm on the outskirts. His stomach grumbled at the thought of the sweet, ripe fruits hanging from the trees. Ignoring the signs warning against trespassing, he stealthily made his way into the orchard, intent on satisfying his hunger. As he reached for a tempting fruit, he heard a voice behind him. It was the farmer who had caught him red-handed. Panicked, the lazy man tried to flee, but the farmer was quick to react. He grabbed a nearby stick and threatened to teach him a lesson. Fearing for his safety, the lazy man ran as fast as he could, his heart pounding in his chest. Seeking refuge, he found himself in the dense forest that bordered the village. As he wandered deeper into the woods, he stumbled upon a clearing where a peculiar sight caught his eye. There, lying on the ground, was a fox, with only 2 legs, struggling to move. Amazed by the sight, the lazy man wondered how such a crippled creature could survive in the wild. To his astonishment, a lion approached the fox, carrying a piece of meat in its jaws. Instead of attacking, the lion gently placed the meat in front of the fox, offering it food. Witnessing this act of kindness, the lazy man was struck by the realization that even in the animal kingdom, there existed compassion and care for those in need. He sat down, deeply moved by the scene unfolding before him. Lost in his thoughts, he reflected on his own life and the opportunities he had squandered due to his laziness. He realized that, like the fox, he had been waiting for things to come to him instead of taking action. The lion's gesture taught him that true strength lies not in waiting for help, but in taking the initiative to help oneself. With a newfound resolve, he decided to change his ways. He understood that life's challenges could only be overcome by taking action and seizing opportunities. From that day on, the lazy man embraced a new motto: to be proactive like the lion, rather than passive like the fox. As we journey through life, let us not wait for things to change on their own.